first thing you're gonna do to make your Holy Triduum calendar is to get a blank sheet of paper, like this one. Okay, now if you watch, I'm gonna show you how to make a small calendar for the Holy Triduum so it shows our Easter journey. So the first thing you're gonna do is you're gonna make a pathway. Oh, whoops, okay. Pathway that's like this. Okay, and then draw the bottom, like that. And then we're gonna make it look like there is space for each of the 3 days. Okay, and as you can see, I drew 4 spaces because it begins on the night of Holy Thursday. So we're gonna label this. Oh, and you need a title, so you're gonna put your title as this: Holy Triduum. You can write that in a really fancy way. I'm just gonna do it kind of quick so that you all can see how you can do yours. Okay, Holy Triduum. And then on the first box, you're gonna write Holy Thursday. Okay, Holy Thursday. It can be in cursive, it can be in print, whatever you need to do to make it beautiful. Then the second day, you're gonna write Good Friday, like this. And then after Good Friday is Black Saturday. And then Easter Sunday. Of course, this is the highest point in the church, and it's a Sunday, which is the highest day of the week. So I'm going to put that at the top of our journey. So on each of these boxes, you can put a symbol that reminds you of that day, and you can also, I would like you to write your resolution. So let's say on Holy Thursday, we remember the Last Supper of Jesus. So you could even draw the host, and you can draw a chalice. You can draw feet being washed. You can draw a basin with water. And we remember that Jesus taught us to serve other people, so you can write your resolution in the box or outside, and you can say on this day, for example, I will make a spiritual communion, or I will do extra chores for my siblings. But you all get the idea. Chores for my family. On Good Friday, if you're going to do something special, you can write, I will keep silence. Keep silence today. Today, between 12 and 3 p.m., those hours that Jesus hung on the cross. So remember that these are big commitments. And then Black Saturday, this is a day we spend with Mom Mary. So you can say, I will pray the sorrowful mysteries of the Rosary. And these are just ideas or inspirations that I'm giving you guys, but you can all do your own resolutions. So on Easter Sunday, because Jesus rose from the dead, you might do something like, I will dye eggs with my family. Some people do that because remember it's a day of new life. Or you can put, if you do pray the Rosary, you can even put, I will meditate on the glorious mysteries of the Rosary and dye eggs, since we're celebrating that day of life. Okay, so I can't wait to see what you guys come up with. And yep, and you can definitely decorate your calendar. You can color it. You can draw eggs here. You can draw Jesus rising from the tomb. You can draw Mary. You can draw on Good Friday. You can even draw a cross. So be creative, be spiritual, and yep, can't wait to see your calendars. All right, God bless.